I know your name, but I just can't remember
It was like over there. We was like, yeah, okay. Remember their names? We was like Quanda or something like that. Really, I don't know.
My name is
Oh, Paris, I went on your Facebook and I sent Cameron a friend request.
Cameron
Powers.
my friend. You ain't gotta say it like that. Wow, that's
Is that Monique? You had to say we're close.
Oh yeah, merge.
You have making all name making grooves. Like is that?
Oh wait, that's your skin. Okay. Wait. Wait. My hair's short all the way up here. Wait,
what?
Why are your shorts all the way up here?
I don't know.
It's like. Wait. You have a. Oh, so you just have really long legs and a small torso. Oh.
Where's your belly button?
Right here.
Can we get back in the sand so we can wash off?
You know
Water.
She said the sand.
Oh, it hurts.
Yeah. Back up, car. That's off your
Where's my
I want to get buried. No, never mind.
video?
I can't.
So,
Okay.
as long as you don't have water on you.
Okay, tell me what's mine.
Alright, how do you feel after being buried?
Yeah.
Okay. And he's next. Alright, come on.
Hold on.
Because I think I have it on my butt.
Come on, lay down. Oh, you trying to get buried?
He buried himself.
Oh, what is that?
Did you catch something?
What you throwing the sand for?
What you doing the sand for?